I tried making a car simulation game which looked like this. With a little design work, the cube became a car and finally added to a level from prototype stage, and this is how it went. Starting with a prototype level design built in Pro Builder, and same as always, a cube which will be a placeholder car for now. Let's add movement along X and Z axis. As we can see, Y axis is vertical or upward direction, so won't include that. These are X and Z directions. Now let's add translation in these directions. Adding a speed float and initializing this whole method. So it's moving but not like a car. It's supposed to turn and not move sideways. Fixing the camera so it follows our player as it moves. Changing the Z translation to rotation vector. Test run, and it's moving like a car. Level needs boundaries so player just doesn't escape to the endless void. Well, this wasn't supposed to happen. Maybe player collider is very small for the walls. Now let's carve out a car from this cube. I know you are thinking I could have used Blender to make a proper model. But this time I wanted to try doing it in Unity itself. And it went well, I think. Initially I planned to make a sports car but ended up with a truck. Also, it's a hovering truck or car. It won't have wheels. Quite futuristic implementation, isn't it? Actually, I don't know how to add wheel physics, so no wheels, no worries. So I carved out space for the headlights and tail lamp, and bottom of car needs some adjustment as well. I'll add color and lamps after this, and this is the finished model. Replacing the player cube with this car. Also, the box collider needs to be stretched for this to the actual proportions of the vehicle. A small test run, and see, it doesn't fall off when it hits the wall. It's working. I'll add the lights and other small effects quickly so I can start the actual level design. See how the light interacts with the environment, reflections, etc. Now to the best part of this project, level design. I took a few assets from the asset store. I'll add the link to them in the description. I started with a basic road and ground patches to check the proportion and adjustments needed for them. So this is our car in this road. I think it looks fine. Let's start designing the city. Adding buildings and environment objects that match our scene. Now level designing gives you complete freedom to unleash your creative process and make the environment according to your preferences. Adding a few more trees to the scene. One more small test for this part. And I can see the car is actually bigger and needs a bit of downscaling. So, completing the city design, and I figured out something cool. If you are making a city design, start with a four-way intersection or a crossroad, just like I am doing here. So later on, it will be easier just to attach these crossroads like puzzle pieces, one next to other. And with buildings changed, we will have a bigger city with smaller effort. So, with completing the city design with more objects in environment, this is how it all looks finally. Pretty good. Now a final playtesting to see how it all went. The game now needs a few more things like UI, score system and collectibles, which I'll be adding in the next part. For now, the basic gameplay is done. I'll also add source files on GitHub if you want to make this yourself or modify it. Also, you can suggest me in comments if you want your idea to be added or implemented in this game. Again, thanks everyone for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.